This is All Japan Day, South Australia's biggest JDM car show. Today we're going to see how the 34 four-door stacks up against some of Adelaide's nicest cars, even cars from all around Australia. Let's see how it goes. We are all set up. The car's sitting pretty. We've got it all at the right height. We've got the boys set up next to us, each side of us and all around us. Let's go check out the quality of some of these builds, because from what I've seen so far, some of these are absolutely unreal. It is stinking hot and really humid. Really looking forward to today. Let's go check it out. What do you reckon so far of the cars, man? Are they pretty cool?
They look really cool.
I can't believe how many there are here. It's a huge amount of cars we haven't even seen before. So
Crazy variety of cars as well.
what's your favorite car you've seen so far?
Probably the black S14 with chrome SSRs on it.
That's pretty mint. And what's your second best?
Probably the Slam Subaru.
That's pretty mint. We'll go check that out now again and get some shots of that. My favorite car so far is probably the red S15 drift car. I think that thing's done up absolutely perfect. But obviously it's a track car, not a street car. But yeah, it's done really well. In what, S15 has the wide body on it. I'd assume that's a track car, whether they race that or whether it's a drift car maybe.
It's got a mad wing on the back.
Huge wing, huge wing. I love the colour-coded rocker covers. It matches the car perfectly. that is All Japan Day done and dusted. What an amazing day. What an amazing collection of cars. I think seeing the level of some of these cars, we've got some work to do. So I'm real keen to level up the 34 and see what we can do next.